Welcome to a quick demo of the Sponsor Assessment tool in the OCMS portal. This is a free additional tool available for you to use as needed. You can access this tool by clicking on Tools in the sidebar menu. Then Free Tools. Then choose Sponsor. The purpose of this tool is to assess project sponsors. It also provides you with an auto-generated sponsor coaching plan. When you first open the tool, you'll see that the OCMS portal pre-populates it based on anyone in your target audience that you have tagged as a sponsor stakeholder type. For more details on how to do that, watch the tutorial video for the target audience. If you'd like to change the individuals populated in this tool, just make another choice, then click Regenerate. Three key metrics are gathered in this tool to generate a risk level. A high risk level indicates more intensive engagement is needed to align the sponsor with the needs of the project. The three metrics are enthusiasm, sponsor role, and availability. There are two ways to populate the metrics into the tool. One is to manually score them based on your interactions with the sponsors. The second is to use the built-in survey. Just click Send a Survey at the top to be taken to the survey template for the sponsor assessment. Once the three metrics are scored for a sponsor, you'll see a sponsor engagement plan. The sponsor engagement plan gives you detailed recommendations that are customized to that individual's assessment. Click the pencil at the top to edit the plan. The outputs of the Sponsor Assessment tool provide valuable insights into the effectiveness of project sponsors and helps the change management team understand how to best engage with them. That brings us to the end of this quick demo of the Sponsor Assessment tool. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us anytime. We'll be happy to help.